here. Today we are going to see a natural remedy that baffled me with its incredible healing properties. And it's unbelievable that I've never talked about this one before. This remedy has anti-inflammatory properties so powerful it can effectively fight kidney disease in all the stages.
Wow!
This was proven by a recent study conducted on CKD patients in stage 2, 3, and 4. Patients had an improvement in kidney function of 9.7% in just 6 months on average, which is very significant. Chronic kidney disease is considered irreversible and, they improved, as we can see. And it's not just that. This remedy improved glomerular filtration rate or GFR and proteinuria, increased the antioxidant status, and lowered blood pressure in the participants. So, how is this very significant improvement in kidney function even possible? Well, when you take this herbal remedy, 3 things are going to happen in your body. First of all, your blood flow will improve. This remedy fights atherosclerosis. It repairs the damage done to the arteries that bring blood to your kidneys by reducing cholesterol plaques in the arteries' walls. This means that, second, your blood pressure is going to decrease. Third, the inflammation in your body will decrease. As a final result, your heart and kidneys will start to work better. And you will be able to see these results in your next blood analysis. Yes, this remedy has something miraculous about it. Now, the remedy I'm talking about is grape seed extract. Grape seed extract, or GSE, is a dietary supplement made by removing, drying, and pulverizing the bitter-tasting seeds of grapes. And grape seeds are incredibly rich in antioxidants. They are one of the best sources of proanthocyanidins in the world, and these polyphenols have some amazing benefits. Now, while the effects of this remedy are quite impressive, it also comes with a warning. So watch the whole video before trying this powerful remedy. Now, a very important question. Who is going to get the best benefits from this remedy? Well, this is a very powerful antioxidant. I will recommend this remedy first of all to those suffering from chronic inflammation, which is very common in people with CKD. So, if you have weird symptoms such as body pain that are hard to explain or chronic fatigue, but also anxiety or frequent gastrointestinal problems, that could mean you are suffering from inflammation in the body. And this remedy can help. And this is important. Oxidative stress and inflammation play important roles in CKD progression. Improving inflammatory status may actually mean improving kidney function. Now, if you think you are suffering from inflammation, there are 5 natural ways to stop it fast you may want to know more about. I've talked about this in my recent video up here. And I would also recommend GSE to those suffering from swelling. Even in people without kidney disease, GSE is often used to treat swelling thanks to its ability to improve blood flow. Third, I will recommend this remedy to those with high cholesterol levels. GSE can help treat high cholesterol levels and atherosclerosis with great benefit for the heart and kidneys. Now, time to see the dosages for this remedy. But let's discuss safety for a moment before that. One of the most significant downsides to using grapeseed extract is that scientists don't have reliable statistics on its long-term use in humans. However, short-term studies lasting up to a year have been proven to be successful, and the remedy is considered safe and effective. There are also a few long-term studies going on to show if there are any detrimental side effects. Now, not that this is expected, since this is a natural remedy. I mean, doctors in Europe routinely prescribe it for heart health. What you should know is that grapeseed extract naturally lowers blood pressure and can thin your blood. So be careful if you are taking any blood thinners, because even if this remedy is very safe, it works. And this means you should be careful with your medications. My advice here is to use your personal health journal to document everything. Talk to your doctor before taking this remedy, and also see if you need to adjust your medication so your blood pressure doesn't get too low. Now let's talk about dosages. CKD patients who improved their kidney function by 9% received 2000 milligrams of grapeseed powder a day. This was divided in 6 capsules that the patients took during the main meals. They were also receiving the usual therapy for chronic kidney disease, and no interactions were found. You're not going to find grapeseed powder on the market, however. What you will find is 20:1 grapeseed extract. This extract is 20 times more powerful than the powder. This means that you only need to take a single 100 milligrams pill per day with a meal. However, in a study on hypertensive people, those who took 300 milligrams of extract daily had an even greater improvement in blood pressure, 5.6% to be exact. A word of advice: find a brand that certifies the amounts of polyphenols and that received the certification from a third-party company and that adheres to strict good manufacturing practices. Also, I don't recommend taking this remedy on an empty stomach. Okay guys, this remedy is incredibly powerful, but there is one natural remedy that has been used to help an 11-year-old girl in stage 5 of chronic kidney disease to avoid dialysis for 4 years. If you want to know more, watch my video up here, and this is all for today. Thank you for watching.